Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to give you a demo of Maven project Docker Build, Push and Deploy pipeline. This is the part 14 of Jenkins 0 to Hero series. Devops in Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is Devops in Action. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. On my channel you can open the GitHub link and find out the Jenkins 0 to Hero series, and scroll down, open the day 14 build Maven project. Here I added the all information which you need: Jenkins checkout, architecture, prepare environment, Docker build Docker image, push to registry, deploy via SSH, container, running. So we will see. So let's see what is inside the Jenkins pipeline. Let me open the Jenkins, do the login. Okay, so create new pipeline and put the name day 14 pipeline. Okay, and in description paste this one, and in pipeline paste this one. Click on apply, save. Okay, so let me explain what it is. I already explained the description in my previous videos. So here everything is the same. I already explained the about agent. I already explained all these environment parameters. Global also explained. So check out, we are just checking it out, and preparing environment, and after that building and pushing Docker image in this stage and deploying over SSH with the simple command. You can see this command, and this is getting from the global variable defined above. That's it. So let's open this Maven application, and here you can see I added Docker file, pom.xml and other required files. You can test it manually if you want. Okay, so just click on the build now, and let's jump here. I added all information related here. Simple Maven app, branches main, prerequisite already we covering from the day 0 to day 14. It's already covered. If you not, then you need to prepare these things, right? So create pipeline, job description and pipeline, that's it. And after that we need to run this pipeline. So all stage explained here what it is doing, right? So once it's done, let's see what it is doing. It is building Docker image. It takes some time because we are using multi-architecture. You can see here ARM64 and AMD64. Meanwhile, we can see the Docker file as well defined in the repo what we are using. You can see here we just using Maven 3.9.9 and our dir is /app and copying xml file and src and doing build command. Right, in the second stage, just using another image which is gre21 and working direct setting /app and copying all the jar file to appjar and exposing the port and doing entry point. Here we added two entry point. One is the default one. After that, this is exiting. That's the reason we added this one to keep container alive. Otherwise, container is going to exit. Right. You can see here pipeline completed successfully and sending email, and as of now my mail server is stopped working, so it's just connecting. No worries about the mail related things. You can see here failed after second try sending email. Rest of the things is succeed. Okay, so what next we need to do? We need to check this one. Right, we have Docker repo, so open the Docker repo and see. I tried it multiple times and every time it is building the same thing. 11.1.26 build number 2 and 11.1.26 build number 3 similar. Today we build the latest one, and 14.1.26 build number 1. You can see in manifest there are two type of architecture. Right, so next let's check it is working fine or not. You can see here it is working. Right, it's showing success and printing some timestamp and client IP. This is the my Windows IP which is printing. Right, so let's connect the SSH and check the logs. So open terminal. Okay, and check the logs here. This is the our container, so I want to get the logs. TLS and Java demo. You can see here it is running. Okay, so for this part that's it, and let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.